in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Lincoln County in south central Mississippi, southeastern Jefferson County in southwestern Mississippi, northeastern Franklin County in southwestern Mississippi, southwestern Copiah County in central Mississippi, until midnight Central Standard Time. At 11:07 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near New Hope, or 27 miles west of Brookhaven, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near New Hope around 11:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. McCall Creek around 11:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Casadale around 11:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Vaughan around 11:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Lloyd Star around 11:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Brookhaven around 11:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Thunderstorm warning for West Feliciana Parish in southeastern Louisiana, northwestern Blancupi Parish in northwestern East Feliciana Parish in southeastern Louisiana, Wilkinson County in southern Mississippi, western Lee County in southern Mississippi, until midnight Central Standard Time. At 10:54 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fort Adams to near Lettsworth, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jackson, Clinton, Centerville, Woodville, Gloucester, Wilson, Norwood, Wakefield, Stillman, Bachelor, Fort Adams, and Crosby. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Louisiana and southern Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Central Standard Time Thursday for the following parishes in Louisiana: East Feliciana, Blancupi, and West Feliciana, and Wilkinson, Mississippi.
Jesus. I thought that was it.
Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Yazoo County in central Mississippi, Madison County in central Mississippi, until 11.
No, that's not the screen. My camera is dying.
At 10:09 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Yazoo, or 14 miles south of Yazoo City, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Canton around 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Way around 10:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Sharon around 10:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Farmhouse and Camden around 10:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Bentonia. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spawn a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for East Central Yazoo County in central Mississippi, Northern Madison County in central Mississippi, until 11:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:12 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Marylandville, or 14 miles southeast of Yazoo City, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near, way around 10:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Sharon around 10:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Camden around 10:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.